let me show you how to make a mock-up. Okay, so we had the design for the t-shirt that we just made recently. If you haven't seen that video, please check it out. It'll be in the description. So first of all, in order for me to make this mock-up, I'm going to be using a program called Placeit. Please check it out. It'll be linked in the description below. It's a beautiful website that is subscription based, offering monthly and annual plans where you can access a lot of the things that you would need that'll save you time and money. For instance, we're going to do this mock-up, and suppose you don't want to, you got a clothing brand out there and you cannot afford to pay for a photographer or something of that nature. And in some cases, I kind of like this because everything you get when you set your website up is going to be super universal and straight up and down. This is going to be the same. It's going to be like not necessarily identical, but it's going to be easy to process. Anyway, so let's get into it without further ado. This website right here is placeit.net. So I am already logged into placeit.net. Again, the link will be in the description below, as well as a QR code towards the end if you guys are watching on your home televisions. So we're going to go straight into this mock-up. So I'm going to go into placeit.com. I'm going to mockups, and I am going to go to apparel. Nope, digital highlights, mockups, apparel. Yeah. So I am looking for T-shirt mockups. All right. So on the side, so over here on the side, you'll see that you can do like certain themes. So I like to use the Bella+Canvas 3001. So I'm going to click on Bella+Canvas 3001, and I see all my Bella+Canvas 3001 mock-ups that Placeit offers. Wow, this is quite a bit. So also, you can break all of these things down by gender, boy through woman. You can break this down by age of a model. Let's see, adults, kids, youth, ethnicity. You can break down by ethnic group, Asian, Black, Hispanic, Indian, white, so on and so forth. So I'm gonna go ahead and let me see, can I get rid of this background? No, this one. Oh, nah, no, get rid of the background. So another one is I can do shirt only. I like that. So here we go, plain Jane shirt. That's what I want to work with. So we're going to select the plain shirt. I'm going to select the shirt color. The shirt color is going to be black. The background, I am going to select white. I always like the way the white looks. Then I'm going to add, nope. You can add like something like sale. I'm gonna take that out. All right, so I'm gonna go in here and I'm just gonna go ahead and insert my image. So I'm gonna upload my image here. Import from downloads. So I'm importing something I've already downloaded. There we go. And voila, we have a mock-up, right? So I'm gonna download, I'm gonna save my draft. I'm gonna go ahead and download my mock-up. And it automatically down here goes and selects some additional mock-ups for you as well. I would just have to change the color, for instance. If I wanted it on this, I think the shirt size is a little off, but let's see, I could go ahead and put my shirt color right here. I'll make that black, right? And then I can add a graphic. And then I can put that on the outside of the box. And I can do something like that, right? So there you have it. So check out Placeit.com. Check the QDR code out if you're watching on your television. Check out the link in the description if you're watching online or on your cell phone. As usual, man, y'all have a good one. Peace.